Literally going live. This is our first trade that we're taking on gold. For buyers on gold right now, literally just took this buy. The stop loss is a bit big, but my stop loss is going to be at 39.30.5. See how this go, but yeah, already this ain't even looking good already. It is what it is. 5-0 to that trade. Cool. So this ain't looking good at all. So right now we're on buys for gold. It's broken above my resistance level, but price obviously let's kind of close right below it. Let's see if we can see if this level will hold. Try hold this for around 100 pips. Take it from there. I'm not going to really trade much. I feel like we missed most of the move during London session, so let's see how this plays out. So gold buy. Just let you know. Cool. Yeah. Oh, this is looking bad already, man. We might even get stopped out here. What's my stop loss on this now? It's my futures account as well. It's just looking bad, if I be honest with you. I always said I'm not going to trade the breakouts. I actually need to stop trading the breakouts. It's probably going to be the last time I trade the breakouts. Yeah, I'm not going to trade breakouts again. This is the reason why. I'm glad you can see it. It's all on live. Cool. Let's just wait. Possibly go for a sell though, honestly. Yeah, I don't think I'll be trading breakouts again. When I look back on my charts, a lot of my losses come from breakouts. Indeed, I would have wanted to get in from there. Cool. Yeah, but the way gold is moving now, I'm actually not feeling it. I feel like it's going to reverse and hit my stop loss. Yeah, because this is a strong resistance level, I can see. This is an awkward place to buy. So I bought with that price closing just above our temporary resistance level. See, yeah, sellers are very in control. Same thing happened yesterday. Obviously I lost my first trade yesterday. Cool. Price can close back above it, then it's all good. But yeah, it's not actually looking good at all. Alright, that is a nice push. Cool, that's the push I was after. Let's see if this is going to hold. Alright, it's going to hold this for around 100 pips. Okay, no games today. Going to hold this for around 100 pips. Oh, look at that fly towards the upside. This is beautiful. What is it? Alright, perfect. So alright, this is my futures account as well. Currently 100. That's perfect. Up on that on my futures account, which is good. On the funding pips account, Currently moving into 50 pip stop loss, so I'm gonna break even on this. That's my futures account. Let me break even on that. Oh, that is beautiful. You know what? We just gotta take this for what it is. I only want to make 100 pips today, like I said. Oh Lord, this is killing me. 400 pips. Alright, cool. This trade's now break even. Risk-free running trade. Perfect. Can't complain. I've got our first risk-free running trade. This might even come back down and take us out, but it is what it is. First risk-free running trade. Perfect. So this can hit TP. Alright, cool. Perfect. This might be one of my quickest trade on live, on TikTok live. Remember, I'm holding this for around 100 pips. Hopefully this can just hit straight away, no problems. Hit straight away, no problems, be perfect. Has it even hit on my futures account yet? Let's see. Oh, it's not far from futures. Not far from that. Yep. I took quite a few trades today on futures during the London session as well. I think like 5 trades, so I end up being in minus $83. But yeah, this trade will make up for it. Why do I feel like this trade's got the potential to do more though? Let me have a look on a 1 hour time frame. I feel like this got potential. Yeah, this. Oh wow. This has definitely got the potential to do more. We're not going to get too greedy. That's perfect, so. Has it got the potential to do more? I'm just going to hold this for 100 pips. Come on. You're going to touch. Perfect. That's the push I'm looking for. I'll show you my. It's cool. I don't think you can actually see it properly, but yeah. Not far from hitting that $500 mark on my futures account. Obviously, as well, I'm trading my funded Pips live account as well. So cool. That candlestick I don't like that candlestick. That's not good. That's not good at all. Let's wait and see what the next candlestick gives us. So yeah, we're just holding this for 100 pips. We're not even playing no games. In and out today. In and out. Hold on for 100. You know what? Right, that's the price that I'm holding gold to. So there we have it. Has it hit my futures account? Oh, we're not far. Come on. Oh, don't you dare. That's annoying. Ideally, I should have gotten down here. But obviously, I don't start trading until 2 p.m. So ideally, I should have got in here. That would have been a 100 pip mark. Perfect. But yeah, we still got potential to do another 100 pips here. So this trade should play out. Still got potential. Just waiting game. Literally waiting game. Alright, this is working out pretty fine. Yeah, this trade's just running smooth. Not really much to say, just let it play out, if I'll be honest with you. That's what I'm doing now, just letting the trade play out. Cool. Hope you can bank another $250 on the Funding Pips live account. Also, with my fund top step as well, hopefully we can hit our target. And also with my small account here, hopefully we can hit some profits. It's just a waiting game, if I'll be honest with you. Everything's just a waiting game. It's all a waiting game here. So it's perfect. Do you reckon it can actually do more? That's the thing, I reckon it can. Alright, so look, this light's going to hit. Not far from hitting. Yeah, this is, I'm going to show you as well. Oh my gosh, don't take the net. Look at that. That is horrible, man. I wonder if it took... Alright, cool, that's perfect. Alright, look. On my, obviously my top step, it has hit. Hit that 100 pip mark. Alright, so top steps, with my top steps account, $500 banked. That leaves me with 413 profit for the day. It's waiting now for my Funding Pips account to hit as well. That'd be good. Is it gonna hit? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Do me a favor and hit. And we're out for the day and done. Ah, it's annoying, man. Alright, cool. We might have to close this trade out early because now it looks like it might reverse on me. But we gotta wait. We just gotta wait. Still a waiting game. That don't look good. That actually don't even look good. That's not good. That's not good. Alright, cool. Obviously, I might close this trade out. The only good thing I'll say about this trade is that it's staying above, it's broken above our resistance level. We can see if it hold. Then I might have to close out on this trade. I'm gonna have to close out on this one. Alright, cool. Literally closed out on that trade there. Alright, so didn't touch that 100 pip on gold. Now it's going to be a waiting game. So annoying. We made profit with our top step account, which is good, which is a good thing. Alright, waiting game. Let's just wait and see. Alright, cool. We're just yeah, waiting for another opportunity to arise yet again in this market. So remember, every week I trade gold Monday to Thursday. We might get another buy opportunity here. The only problem is with this though is that 1 hour. So it's, remember that support level on the 1 hour on the daily. I'm not too sure. Like, I'm just a bit scared of that level there, how price is going to react around it. But you know what? We might be able to get in for another buy on gold. Definitely. Only way I'm going to get in for a sell for gold, if price closes back down below that broken resistance level and then breaks my orange EMA and breaks that level, then yeah, I know price has changed and it's decided to trend towards the downside. But at the moment, for gold, I only want to be looking at buys, if I'll be honest with you. I only want to be looking at buys. Obviously, you can trade a pullback if it happens. Sellers take control and there's a pullback. Hey, buy gold. I'm going in for a buy on gold right now. Let me put this on my account. Fucking hell, I'm late, man. That's annoying. Didn't think that was going to change so quick. Alright, cool. Let's go for a buy on gold. Alright, cool. I'm going to go for a buy. I'm going for a buy now. Cool, I'm going to go for a buy. This might just even just take me out. Yeah, it's not actually holding. It's disgusting. this is the problem now. Yeah, I might just have to close this position. It's annoying. Alright, see. How that's closed has actually put me in a problem. And let's put a stop loss at 37.5. It's meant to be, it's meant to be. If it's not, then it's not. This is how the game goes. So people, I'm just putting my stop loss. Cool. Let's have it look on futures. Where would I put that stop loss on futures? This might even hit a bit more on future though. 39.52.5. I kind of want to leave it at 39.52. Give it a bit of breathing space. I'll put TP another 100 pips. So let's see if we can get another 100 pips on. Another $500 on top step. My futures account. But let's just see how it goes. Alright, cool. This is bad though. The way that candlestick closes is bad. I just need it to close back above my red EMA. Then it's looking good. If it don't, then yeah, we're in problems. It just needs to close above. Got another few more seconds for this candlestick closes. Closing. Oh my, see, that's what I didn't want to see. That's problems. That is problems. It's actually problems. Alright, cool. Hold this trade for another 100 pips. So we can hold this for 100 pips. It's not looking good. That candlestick here messed me up. I've seen it play out too many times when it does that. I need this to close bullish, because if it don't, then that's probably going to hit stop loss. I need it close bullish. I don't need it bearish. Don't need it bearish at all. It's bad. Come on. It's fighting. Sellers and buyers are just fighting. Alright, cool. Better. That's better. Alright, looking much better now. Alright, let's say listen. Alright, cool. Let's hope this trade can move into break even for me, please. That'd be very good. I just need my red EMA change to green, and then just a bit more positivity. See, I don't need it to close like that. Done. Yeah. Yeah, it's done. I knew it. That shooting star candlestick, I hate that one. Let's just see how price is going to hold. It's choppy. It's moving choppy. Let's just see if it's going to hold. Oh my God. We just got, this is actually a waiting game. Yeah, it's a bit awkward right now. Yeah, this is just actually a waiting game, so we just gotta wait. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually just a waiting game. The way price is moving choppy, um, even though we're getting these hammers here formed, right now it's just moving choppy. Yeah, market is moving very choppy. This is very slow. Back in profits on my futures account, which is good. Obviously on the futures I got in a bit later than on my, I feel like, see, that's the, it's just annoying. Main thing is that we're, market has closed above, obviously my resistant level, which is the good thing, which is this purple box here. I do believe we're in an uptrend though. I can't, there's no reason for me to sell right now. Obviously, the best place for me to sell when this is price was to drop back down and touch my trend line, and then yeah, start looking out for some buys around there. That'd be ideal. That'd be a good trade to hold for this one, I can't, right, you know what? We've got movement here. You can actually, it's got potential to do 300 pips. It has. At the moment, we're just gonna hold this trade. Right, perfect. Now, I've got that move that I was after. Top set, right, now I can move my trade to break even. Alright, perfect. And this would be excellent if I can get another 100 pips on top step. That'd be perfect on my futures account. If you know who I want to trade with on futures, I use top step. Alright, let's see with funding pips. Let's see. Oh wow, perfect. Hopefully this should hit now. Right, so we should hit my count. It should hit my TP. What am I talking about? So now we're gonna break even on my funded pip account. Call me that. Show that there. Stop loss. Now we're just break even. Cool. Now this trade is a free running trade, which is perfect. Now, this time we're gonna wait and see if it hits TP. I even set my TP at 100 pips. See it right there. Cool. Say at 100 pips right there. See it? Alright, just a waiting game. Alright, now gold is moving. Perfect. I'm not even trying to be in this trade. I'll be honest with you, I'm not even trying to be in this trade for too long. Literally hold this for around 100 pips. Leave with some profits today. Take it from there. Oh, I wonder if my... Obviously, with Forex and futures, they do move different. And wow, look, this is just shy of hitting my TP on my futures account. Alright, cool. Hopefully, my futures account, that should hit. But also, it's vice versa. When the market is against me, sometimes futures normally hit my my stop loss a bit quicker than my Forex. So when you're trading Forex and futures like gold, it's very easy to do. Uh, Look at that. That is so annoying, man. Literally, that what 3-4 pips away from hitting TP on my futures account. Yeah, this is just so annoying. We've got to wait. Good thing about this trade is that it's broke even, so it's a free running trade now. So obviously, this is a bit annoying. Look how close I was to hitting my TP. Hopefully, price can spike up and hit my TP. Comes price close like this. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. See, this is what I'm saying. Mindset of the market now. Do you just leave with what you got because you just missed out on your TP? The market does go against me, then I end up leaving with nothing. But honestly, this happens to me no, I wouldn't say all the time, but yeah, when this does happen to me, it's a bit annoying. But I just look at it as part of trading. It's part of, these are the days you're gonna have. Yeah, price does look like it wants to go against me, but I'm gonna wait. My green EMA turns to red, then I might come out of that on my top step. Can't wait and see. Right, I think, oh, you know what? I was just about to say I'm going to close this trade out. But, yeah, that candlestick was not the way that whipped off of this temporary support level is actually quite good. It's still a problem though because hasn't closed quite bullish. Still quite closed quite bearish. But yeah, it's going to be a bit annoying. This is. Yeah, no. Alright, let's just see our price. I feel like I should just close. Well, I'm gonna close out on my futures. Definitely, I want to leave at least with 100. At least 100. At least with $150, which I did. But on my funding puts, I'm gonna leave it to run break even. If it breaks even, it break even. If it holds, it holds. It should be good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Trading. I don't see much more opportunities happening. Yeah, I gotta close this. Let me just close this. Of course, I'll close all my trades. Yeah, this is gonna reverse. So, done 3 trades today. It's a bit annoying. Just missed our TP twice. So yeah, you're gonna get days like this in the market. So it happens. Just gotta get up and go again. If I'll be honest with you. So don't forget, join me again tomorrow at 2 p.m. GMT time. Trading the market, show you lot what I see in the market. Remember, this is not I'm not trying to teach anyone anything. I'm just going to show you how I see the market and hopefully look, get an idea. So have a good trading day and I'll see you tomorrow.